Identifying which design's components are used in can be a time-consuming task, but critical when needing to replace obsolete or unavailable parts. This quick how-to will provide step-by-step instructions on how to use the Where Used functionality in OrCAD CIP to easily identify every design a component is used in. To begin, let's open a design in OrCAD XCapture CIS. This design should be completed with components found in your part database. Open CIP from the menu and log in with your username and password. To track where parts are used, bill of materials or BOMs must be uploaded to CIP. To do this, select BOM, View Import from the menu. Select the plus icon to add a new BOM. When adding a new BOM, the part number and revision fields are required. Add a part number or select the Auto-Generate icon to fill in the field with the next available BOM number. Add a revision for the BOM and any other desired information. When finished, select the plus icon to add the BOM with a defined part number. Next, we need to import the data. Select Delimited for the BOM view. This will configure a BOM view with each part number shown on a single line and reference designators shown as a comma-separated list. You can import a BOM based on a CSV file or the open design. For this example, we will import a BOM from the current design. The open design is automatically selected in the BOM import wizard. Select Import BOM. To successfully import a BOM from the design, all components must be found in your component database. When the BOM import is complete, a pop-up window will appear. Click OK to close the window. To show the Where Used functionality in OrCAD CIP, we will configure a search to identify obsolete components in the database. Select CIS DB Search from the main menu. Next, we'll configure the search. Select the drop-down list for parametric field and select Company Part Status. There are several available options for the operator to quickly configure custom searches. Ensure Contain is selected as the operator. In the parameter field, enter Obsolete. You can easily add additional search fields by selecting the plus sign under the Add Remove column to create a more specific search. Select Search. This search example returns any components listed as obsolete within the Company Part Status field. Select the part number for the desired component from the search results to view additional details. If the component is used in any designs, the number of BOMs the component is used in will be visible on the Where Used tab. Select the Where Used tab. All designs and BOMs where the component is used are reported. Select the desired BOM part number to view the BOM. Easily identify every instance of a component's use throughout all of your designs with Where Used in OrCAD CIP. For more tutorials, visit us at resources.ema-eda.com. And don't forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel.